here at Cape Disappointment State Park in Southwest Washington State, USA, and this is one of my favorite art projects in the world, brought to you by Confluence, which is a nonprofit dedicated to connecting people to the living cultures, history, and ecology of the Columbia River Gorge. This is the mouth of the Columbia right out there as it enters the Pacific Ocean. And this project here is the fish cleaning station. It's a very practical art project. The art installations from Columbia are very different from colonial culture art, we'll say, in the United States. It's big, grand monuments. A lot of Confluence is very subtle projects, flowing and incorporated into the landscape, and often using natural materials that humans have been using to make art since time immemorial. Confluence does this through native voices and the artwork of Maya Lin, who is most famous as the creator of the Vietnam Veterans War Memorial in Washington, D.C. This one here is a piece of columnar basalt, and it tells the story, the creation story of the Chinook and Chehalis people came from the eggs of the thunderbird. This is a very practical art project. We got a big haul of razor clams out on the beach today. We've got a fish cleaning station to do what human beings have done for years beyond memory, cleaning their fish, catch and cook. It was a thing long before YouTube. I wish you the best, and I believe you will have a great time visiting here as well.